Oh, this ain't funny. What is this?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the chaos. Oh, and I can assure you this video is going to be chaos. So by the title of this video, you know what we're doing. We're doing a prank, but we're doing it to Mark. So in this black bag here, as you can see that, yeah, that's pretty a large amount of feathers. So let's just take a look inside this black bag right now. Oh my god, look at all those bird feathers, guys. These are literally bird feathers and they're dusty as hell. So we're going to fill Mark's car with all of these feathers, but that's not enough. So here we've got an old pillow, and guess what? Yeah, it's full of feathers as well. So we're going to empty this. Oh my god, we're going to empty, oh my god, look how many feathers are in there. We're going to empty this into the black bag, there, and then fill Mark's car up with all these feathers, like so. God. Oh my days. Okay guys, so we've got to cut this open. So I'm not going to make this video too boring for you. We're going to cut it open and fill the bag. And just a quick mention, the pain videos are coming back to the channel soon. We haven't done pain videos for a while because we've been restricted by the council, so we've got to be careful what we do now. But maybe we're going to bath in Vapor Rub. Maybe we're going to have a thumbtack boxing match. Who knows? Just sit by a chance to find out. Anyway, we'll be right back after we have cut this pillow open. Because we don't want to bore you too much, we'll be back in just a second. Okay. There's feathers everywhere! Okay guys, so if you, oh my days. Just that will fill this car up alone, look at that! That's going inside his car, oh my god. So we've got to fill this black bag with these feathers and then we're on to the next step. So this is going to be pretty messy. We'll be back after we fill this bag up. Oh my god, it's leaking! Oh my god. Whoa! Oh, it's all leaking out the sides. I feel like a chicken. This is going to be so messy. Okay, so acquiring the feathers into the black bag and absolutely making a huge mess while we're at it, we're going on to the next step. We've got to get his car keys. Let's go get his car keys. I don't even put some, I think he... Oh no, he has them on. Why is he sleeping? What the f... They're on the side next to him.
Very stylish gymnast, but just nobody has the difficulty to match, and that's the key.
Well, that seems to be the key. In the gymnastic community, there's a real split, actually, about the power of Biles compared to the grace, artistry of what was former gymnastics. And I think that's really interesting. That some people...
So now we've got his car keys, we're going down to his car. We're going to open this sunroof and dump this in. Let's go. Alright, so we've got this bag of feathers. Let's put them in his car. It's got a sunroof here. This is where we're going to dump the feathers in. So I'm going to get into the car first. Helps if I unlock it, right? Now the sunroof, I don't know if it works with the car off like that. It's always on the car on. Not start the car. Right, the sunroof. Open. Let's turn the car off. Now we're going to dump the feathers in the sunroof. Let's do it. Right, I'm going to just stand on top here. I'm going to dump all these in. Oh my god, do I actually do this? Yes I do. Oh my god. Oh my days. Okay, let's take a look inside the car quick. Okay guys, look at this. Oh my god, it's all falling out. No. Don't fall out. We need to turn the car back on and close the sunroof quick. This is not going too well. Close the sunroof. Oh, come on. Oh my god, look at that, look. He's going to go mental. Look at that, it's all on his driving seat. So that was the whole idea. Was to fill it up, just so it was on the driving seat and nowhere else. Let's get this put back in. Oh my god, let's put it on the floor as well. Let's fill this whole driving seat on the front. Quick, close the door. Look at that. Oh, now I've got to wait for him to wake up and see his reaction. Let's do it.
I'll be pleased to see that score, 13.766. The Eclipse are above Georgia's Machine have a 3 times gravity. Lords here now competing on the floor.
Just wait.
Canada have really impressed at these championships.
Hi.
Huh?
Yeah, can you do me a favour? I need a drink and I would go to the shop, but they haven't got any milkshakes.
Why are you filming, Pete?
He's just filming, he's watching you film, like, I don't know why.
Why are you filming me sleeping?
He's filming you sleep.
What are you doing?
A documentary.
On?
People sleeping. I'm joking. We're filming because we're vlogging today.
Why film me sleep though?
Because we're vlogging and we're filming you sleep.
Is this for the paintings?
Yeah.
Hey, tell me what's going on.
It's the intro of the video, we're filming you sleep.
That's weird.
I know it's weird, but it works.
I needed sleep anyway because I'm watching UFC tonight.
Anyway, I'm going to kidnap this dog,
No.
first of all.
No!
And second
General.
of all, can you get me a milkshake from McDonald's? They do have milkshakes in the shop, but I want a McDonald's milkshake.
Something's weird. What's wrong? You're doing something.
We're not doing anything, are we?
No. You're pranking me or something, I know it.
No, we're not.
You are.
It doesn't, every time we have the camera on, doesn't mean we're pranking you. If we're
You've
going to
done my
prank
face.
you,
You've drawn something on my face, isn't it?
no,
You've done something.
we haven't done anything. Okay, I'll tell you. I was going to prank you by taking General somewhere and pretending we sold him on the black market or something. Anyway, let's go to McDonald's, man. Come on. You coming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Payans.
Let's go. Alright.
What are you laughing? Why are you vlogging? We never vlog. Hey, what is this?
It's nothing. Come on.
Why are we vlogging to go
I'll tell you, we got a surprise for you, bro.
You got a surprise for me. Oh, what have you done? Oh, this ain't funny. Have you done something? What is... You think you're so funny, don't you? They're the flipping feathers. Do you understand what they do, Malcolm? They stick to things.
How's the new decorative look, bro?
You think you're so funny.
No, watch.
Why, man? You did a prank on me last time, so why are you doing it again? No, this ain't even funny, look. Look at you getting stuck to the seat, Malcolm. How am I possibly supposed to be driving now? No, it ain't funny. I lost my keys. Now where?
You still drive it?
Can't drive shit.
There's a holy Bible there, that will help you out.
You're not even funny, man. Nah, that ain't funny, man.
There's a bag of feathers, I have to use it for something.
I thought we were using it on Pete.
Oh yeah. Well,
Nah, that's not funny, man. How did you even get it in there?
bring the sunroof, I put the sunroof back and then put
No!
Look at the back seat.
You do realise a flipping Hoover ain't gonna do this, Malcolm?
Look at the back seat.
No, that's not funny.
Oh my god, look at the state of the car, look. Oh.
You think you're so funny, Malcolm, don't you?
Okay guys, that was today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up.
You're wrong, mate. You wanted a milkshake. Are you going to get a milkshake now?
Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment below.
Nah, don't do any of that. Don't comment, don't like or anything.
I mean, look, you can't like this. Look at the state of the car. There's feathers everywhere. Like for feathers.
I swear that bag weren't that full.
Can I open another pillow?
Oh, you're a knobhead, mate. I don't even find that funny.
Oh, I find it hilarious. That's pretty funny.
Yeah, you find it hilarious because you're the one that did it. You ain't driving, are you?
I know. Look forward to seeing you in the next video, guys. Peace.